Hey, it's John once again. At least these pieces of shit are consistent. I just spent 45 minutes in family court and asked the judge a lot of different questions about things that are currently pending before him, and he denied all of it once again. I said, "What about telephone visits?" He said, "Denied." I said, "Where are my children? What address? Who are they living with? What household? Who?" Denied. I said, what about, what about their education records? Where are they going to be enrolled in school? Who's got, denied? I mean, it's just insane. You can't make this stuff up. But he's willing to double down, and he called me out, basically telling me to shut up. He knows they're discriminating against me. Once again, they demonstrated and doubled down again that they're willing to discriminate against me on any level possible, just to deny me any contact. The stuff that's bubbling out from Weinrob, the attorney that represents Kathy Dupree and Katie Rock, the stuff that's bubbling out from him is that these people are already having visits. Isn't that nice? That they just want to formalize it, that it's just one big happy dysfunctional family again, and that they're already having visits. So, again, the most important people who this is about were not even there. My daughters were not there, of course, and they kicked the can down the road till September 30th. They don't care that I'm going through all these medical evaluations and everything, and that I could relapse with cancer. They won't allow me to talk to my children. They won't give me any contact. They don't care. Like I said, these are deliberate acts of cruelty perpetrated by Keith Bruno. It's just appalling, the length that they'll go to in order to make sure that my children's rights are being absolutely destroyed. And these people don't care. I don't know what their goal is. Maybe they hope I'll end up dead somewhere along the way and they won't have to talk to me. But what was clear was that nobody really is interested in, verifying for me where my daughters are, which in itself is absolutely disgusting. And they don't care anything whatsoever about my parental rights. They had a proceeding at 9:30 before I was there, which I was not a party to. I don't know what that was about. All of it involves my daughters. They don't even include me in emails, and they're asking me to participate in some other sham. So I'm not going to get anywhere in Clinton County, as you can see, and as I have told everyone about and documented here. So I have to put my eggs in the basket of the Third Judicial District Court of Appeals and the incredible work of my attorney, Todd Monahan. But, man, I didn't expect anything different. It's just apparent that when I stood up and, asked the questions about where are they, who's in the household, what about, there were no answers. And they're not going to give them to me. He said, it's all in the temporary custody petition. I said, no, it's not. I said, there's no address at all listed in there. I said, you act like you don't care. Then he started talking about having written in there that they can't be taken out of Clinton County. And then, Crookshank obviously didn't want to go along with that. I'm pretty sure that Ricky and Kristen are long gone from New York. And, they're trying to reestablish themselves probably down in Alabama, I would believe. So that's going to take a little while to play out. That's why they're pushing to get these kids out of New York State. And Bruno has no regard for, my daughter's relationship with me. I said, where are they? What is their address? Who's in this household? What are their financial qualifications? What are their, who is this guy, Johnny Massengil? Is he a creep? Who else lives in the house? These are the same people that, gave Ricky Carnahan unfettered access to my daughters. So excuse me if I have no respect for their judgment whatsoever. And Maxwell stands up there like a bobblehead and goes like this. She just doesn't have a fucking thing to say about anything different than maintaining the status quo and fucking me over along the way. Oh my God.